For nearly a decade, this creative studio made waves in animation, VR games, and augmented reality. Behind their artistic magic? A modest but powerful IT setup, Windows servers, Linux platforms, and NAS storage that kept it all running. Then came the shift. Remote work became permanent, and their 2,500 square foot office was suddenly too much. They made a smart move, downsizing to 1,200 square feet while maintaining all their performance. That's where we came in. We planned and executed a smooth migration. New fiber lines, a clean rack, and all their existing hardware, from domain controllers to Jenkins, relocated with zero downtime. 15 Cat 6A Ethernet runs, a streamlined Wi-Fi setup, and uninterrupted creative workflows. Today, they're still building the future of immersive media, just from a leaner, smarter space. Voice Ignite. When your workspace evolves, your infrastructure should too.